Remember these verbs. Wrap up. They're wrapping up dinner. Wind down. They're winding down dinner. Deck out. They decked out their home for the holidays. Sit around. The adults are sitting around the room. Look back on. He's looking back on emotional memories. Look forward to. She's looking forward to something exciting. Lean back. He's leaning back on the couch. Lie ahead. They're talking about what lies ahead. Wrapping up dinner. As the family wrapped up Thanksgiving dinner, they realized that the year was winding down and soon they'd be decking out their home for the holidays. They sat around the living room, talking and laughing, looking back on cherished memories together and looking forward to next year. As they leaned back in their chairs, content from the big meal, they felt a sense of joy. Now they're excited for the festivities that lie ahead. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. The family wrapped up Thanksgiving dinner. What does wrap up mean? Open, begin, conclude, cover. That's right, it's C. Conclude. They realized the year was winding down. What does wind down mean? Accelerate, celebrate, slowly end, slowly begin. That's right, it's C. Slowly end. They're going to deck out their home. What does deck out mean? Decorate, clean, celebrate, move. That's right, it's A. Decorate. They sat around the living room. What does sit around mean? Move furniture, circulate, sit casually, sit stressed. That's right, it's C. Sit casually. They looked back on cherished memories. What does look back on mean? Focus on the present, ignore the past, reflect on the past, predict the future. That's right, it's C. Reflect on the past. They're looking forward to next year. What does look forward to mean? Focus on the present, ignore the past, be excited for the future, predict the future. That's right, it's C. Be excited for the future. They leaned back in their chairs. What does lean back mean? Fall asleep, sit down, fall down, recline. That's right, it's D. Recline. They're thinking about festivals that lie ahead. What does lie ahead mean? Remember old times? Be excited for something. Celebrate. Be in the future. That's right, it's D. Be in the future. More phrasal verbs are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more phrasal verb help. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comment section. Wrapping up dinner. As the family wrapped up Thanksgiving dinner, they realized that the year was winding down, and soon they'd be decking out their home for the holidays. They sat around the living room, talking and laughing, looking back on cherished memories together, and looking forward to next year. As they leaned back in their chairs, content from the big meal, they felt a sense of joy. Now they're excited for the festivities that lie ahead. Examples. The meeting wrapped up earlier than expected. The band wrapped up the concert with a popular song. She wrapped up her speech with a thank you. After a busy week, they like to wind down with a movie. The party started to wind down after midnight. As the vacation wound down, they felt relaxed. The hall was decked out for the wedding reception. Every Christmas, they deck out their house with lights. For the parade, the floats were decked out in bright colors. On weekends, the family likes to sit around the fireplace. After dinner, they often sit around discussing their day. During holidays, it's a tradition to sit around and play games. They often look back on their childhood adventures with a smile. As she looked back on her college years, she felt nostalgic. Every year, they look back on their achievements. She always looks forward to her summer vacation at the beach. The children look forward to snow days with great excitement. He looks forward to the weekends for some rest and relaxation. He leaned back in his favorite armchair, reading a book. After a big meal, everyone leaned back, feeling satisfied. She leaned back to gaze at the stars in the night sky. Many challenges lie ahead for the young athlete. They're excited for the adventures that lie ahead. As the new year approaches, new opportunities lie ahead. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, consider joining the channel and becoming an English fan or English explorer. Quiz questions are in the community section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.